It's a beautiful day here in Korea, so I thought I would go for a little ride and take you guys with me. As I said, I'm just out here right now on the Onewheel. I'm just at a local park by my apartment. It's pretty nice. It's cherry blossom season here right now in Korea, so everyone's getting their pics. It's a cool spot to check out. There's like some workout equipment down there. Maybe get a pump in, you know. And the air quality is not too bad today, so it's a nice day to be outside. It's like a moderate air quality today, so pretty good. It's pretty windy today though, but still a really nice day. I'm hopping on the Onewheel and I'm gonna see where it takes me. And yeah, see you guys out there. One thing I like about living in Korea is that I get to discover new places fairly often. Like this store here, haven't seen that until today. Definitely have to check that place out, but not today. Okay, so I was just riding for a little bit and I stumbled upon this claw machine arcade place. So we're gonna stop in and see if we can win something. Okay, well, that was a total bust. Didn't win anything. 10,000 won later. Alright guys, so that's going to wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed joining me on this little adventure. Got to see some cherry blossoms and lost some money playing a claw game. So that was my ride on the Onewheel. Hope you guys enjoyed watching, and that's about it. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.